By the way, the list with all the New Year's resolution will be right down in the description. You can print this and just remember for the future to have it with you. So I was thinking, new year, new me and all that crap. But maybe this year will be different. So I got a compilation of different, hopefully the easiest I could think about, photography New Year's Eve resolution. So let's go with number 1. Just find yourself some time. And that's it. Try to make at least one small trip out of the city a month. So try and make everything or anything in the first week. So it will give you the motivation, the power and the energy to pull through with number 2.
Photos.
Okay, so number 2. Take photo every day. I know it's a cliche, like everyone is doing this. I honestly, sincerely envy those guys that are actually willing to do this for a whole year and they are able to pull it through. But for us, if we have trouble with this or finding time or whatever, let's try to make one photo a day for a week. The first week, I would say it's great, and don't bother about this photo, like it should be anything. The most important part is to build the process, the habit of taking photos, moving your ass and making something out of it. So this is another New Year's resolution you can think about. Learn about this. As you can see, that part is pretty much totally white. Everything to do with exposure. Exposure is to find the proper balance between the whitest whites, the brightest parts of the image, and the dark parts of the image. Unfortunately, the cameras aren't perfect, so you won't be able to see everything. And you probably will have to start with HDR images, blending in Photoshop, Affinity Photo, or something like that. But the main idea is for you, just read about exposure, what it is, how it works, and then your photography will be a lot better, and it's easy to do. Just watch a video on YouTube like that one, and there you have it. Very simple, and you will fulfill one of the New Year's resolutions. The next point you can try, and it's very simple, learn about the histogram. This is this graph that tells you what colors on the image are in the blacks, the whites, and the darks. Just grab your camera, go to a forest, or book a trip, a very small one, like whatever it is, the closest you have. Grab your camera and just go. Find yourself a nice landscape, maybe a sunset, maybe a little bit of golden hour. Just try and make at least one image, put it on your desktop or your PC or your phone as a wallpaper, so it will remind you that you can do it, you did do it, you put your mind together, you made it happen, and just enjoy it. Enjoy the creative process and being in the nature. No people, no COVID, no nothing. So there's that. Just grab your camera and go. So for the next point, try something else. Like here we are in the woodland forest. It's great. But there you have the city. So maybe you want to do some street photography, some portrait photography, product photography. Like there is so many different styles of photography you can do. Like you can pick street photography with a single composition rule of thirds or a Fibonacci string, and that's it, nothing else, only those images. It will be a lot easier, and you will be able to spot this after a while instantly. So there you have it. It's really simple, and maybe it will be yours next year resolution. My last idea for you is try to use your phone. You can download a very simple photo editing software app, make a photo, and you can do it on your phone. Like everything is in your pocket. Getting back from work to your home, take an image, and when you are commuting back and forth, you can edit this while you are on the sub, in a train, or in a bus. So everything we talked about, you can do with something you have in your pocket, with your phone, and that's it. If you want to dive into photography, I would start there. I started like that. Photographers need to shoot raw, then they need to edit this to a JPEG file, then they need to export this to social media. You can do this. You can do everything on your phone. Just grab an image, edit, click, edit on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you like. So it's really, really easy, and just you don't have any excuses right now. Everything you have is in your pocket. Just do it. And remember, have fun. What I recommend is get out of your head. Just don't care for any results. Just be there and do it. The results will come to you. First of all, yeah, obviously your images might be crap. The first 10,000 photographies will be your worst. All the next images you will make will be a lot better. Unfortunately, there's only one thing to do, and it's practice, practice, practice. Of course, do it mindfully. Read about this, learn, and then try to put what you learn, the theory, into practice. It will give you guaranteed results, but unfortunately, you will have to sit on your ass and do it. So I would say that this is the end of our list. And yeah, the main point, get out of your head. Just grab your camera, take a couple of images, don't care for the likes. Try something new, try street photography, try composition, like pick a pair. One composition idea, one type of photography. For example, street photography with triangle lines or something like that. Don't be afraid, don't care for likes, I already told that. What else? Let me see the list. Oh yeah, color grading. Try some new software. Maybe just learn any software at all. Practice editing your photos. Experiment, yeah. Take at least one photo a day. Yeah, practice, practice. Oh, and the last idea in a minute. Or just have fun. You don't have to be like the colorists from Hollywood. Just have fun with the sliders. Figure out how it works. Try curves. Try split toning, highlights, HSL adjustment layer, hue saturation, luminance. Just have fun, play around, and you will learn a lot just by testing this. And that's it, I guess. All the list is down in the description, and there you have it. Those are 10 easy New Year's resolutions about photography for you that you can really nail in the first week and have some motivation later on to move forward, move hard, and make those images as best as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and bye for now.